What is the PR interval? Well, the PR interval is the distance from the beginning of atrial contraction to the end of atrial contraction until that impulse enters through the AV node. In the diagram, we can see that the SA node is located in the right upper part of the right atrium, next to the coronary sinus. That's where it gets its name. And these impulses, within 0.2 seconds, travel across the left and right atria through the interneural pathways, including the Bachmann's bundle to the left atrium and the anterior, middle, and posterior interneural tracts as the atria squeezes and fills the ventricles. On the EKG, we see the P wave indicating atrial contraction. It's normal if it's upright, with a height less than 2.5 little blocks. This is Volter's criteria. Anything less is normal, anything higher is an enlarged atria, also known as atrial enlargement or atrial hypertrophy. And PR interval ends at the beginning of the Q wave or the R wave, depending on what kind of QRS complex we have. So, we're looking at the PR interval, measured again from the beginning of the P wave to the beginning of the QRS. What is the PR interval in this segment? Here, it's highlighted in red, with the yellow stripe on the far left indicating the beginning of the P wave, and the yellow line on the far right indicating the end of the P wave. And we have 4 little blocks, each block being 0.04 seconds. In this case, we have about 4.5 little blocks, so 4.5 times 0.4 is about 0.18 seconds. And that's within the normal limits. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed part 1.